Welcome. If you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network in your Samsung Frame TV, at first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down to the general, select network, and you have to open the network settings. Right now we have to select wireless. Our TV is looking for available networks, and right now we can find a couple of them. So if you want to pick, for example, this one, just click OK, and right now we are able to input the password. So you have to make it by using arrows and OK button. After that, when your password is right here, you can also select this option to show your password. Right now you are sure that it's correct, so you can just go right here for the done. At the bottom, in the right bottom corner, click OK to confirm, and after a few seconds you will be connected to the new Wi-Fi network, so just click OK to confirm. Right now we can go for the network status to check if everything is fine. As you can see, we are connected to the GSM center. Right now we can just close, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.